Hello Immians, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a very easy remedy with you guys on how you can literally lighten any body part. This is great for dark elbows, dark knees, dark armpits, dark knuckles, or even dark feet. You only need a couple of ingredients and I'm going to show you guys how to make this super easy remedy at home. But before we move on, if you guys have not already subscribed to my YouTube, hit the subscription box below and do not forget to hit that little bell icon so you guys can get notified every time I upload. So moving into the recipe, what you need is 2 parts of white toothpaste and 1 part of milk and baking soda. So you can make this in any proportion depending on the body part that you're using it on. Over here I'm making it just for my elbows and knees. So what I'm going to do is use 2 spoons of the white toothpaste. This can be any brand of toothpaste. And then I'm going to add in 1 part of the milk. So with the milk, it's great because it's got lactic acid, but what you need to do is make sure you use the non-heat treated milk. So anything that's long life, you can't use that, it won't be effective. This one is fresh, and it's also known as raw milk. The next thing we need is baking soda. I'm going to use 1 part of the baking soda, so I'm using 1 spoon here. And baking soda is great for lightening the skin because it's a sodium and pH neutralizer, and that exfoliates your dead skin, and it actually exfoliates deeply within the skin. It's also antibacterial, antifungal, and antiseptic, so it is perfect for lightening the skin. So when you add in the baking soda, you're going to notice that the mixture is going to bubble up. So I recommend using this mixture straight away. Try not to stir it because it might not be as effective. And mix it really well until you get a nice smooth paste like this. And that means you're ready to use it. So I'm going to demonstrate this on my elbows. Make sure the body part that you're doing it on is nice and clean and also dry. I'm just going to apply it in circular motions on my elbow, and I'm going to actually massage it for 5 minutes. Guys, try to massage it for 5 to 10 minutes just so you can really get the product working. We're also going to leave the mixture on our, I'm going to leave it on my elbows for 10 to 15 minutes as well. So it really gets time to work. Once it's been about 15 minutes, I'm going to start to rub that mixture with lemon. So what I'm using here is a nice cold lemon. If you're sensitive to lemons, I would recommend putting it in the fridge before you use it, and hopefully that won't cause any reactions. Lemon is a bleaching agent and it's really high in vitamin C, so it's perfect for this remedy. What I will do is massage the lemon on the area for about 5 minutes as well. And then you can simply clean the area and wash the area and pat it dry. So you guys can see that it's already lightened my elbow a lot, and hopefully this works for you guys as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helps you guys. Bye.